Hola, my name is Aida Lugo McAllister, author of Ida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I am going to demonstrate how to prepare tostones, double fried plantains, a recipe from my cookbook. Tostones are prepared with green plantains and fried twice. The first fry is to cook the plantains, and the second fry is to create a crispy texture on the outside. This is why we call them tostones, which means to toast. The plantain originated in Southeast Asia, traveling west until it arrived in Puerto Rico around 1516 from the Canary Islands. The plantains are considered a staple in our diet. Let's start with cutting and peeling the green plantains. For this recipe, we're going to be using the green plantain. This is a green plantain, a member of the banana family. It is much longer, thicker, and starchier than the familiar banana. It has a yellow flesh. It is very firm. This particular green plantain measures 11 inches long. With a knife, cut both ends of the green plantain. Make several slits lengthwise from top to bottom, barely touching the flesh. After making the slits lengthwise, I insert a knife between the skin and flesh to slightly lift the skin near the slits on both ends of the green plantain. Peel the green plantain using your hands. Remove any remnants of the skin with a knife. The green plantain has been cut, peeled, and rinsed. So let's cut the green plantain into 1 inch to 1.5 inch round slices. Now it's time to prepare the salted garlic water mixture to soak the plantain slices before the first fry. The soaking time depends on how long you want the plantain slices to absorb the seasoning. Pour water into a bowl. Add garlic powder, salt. Stir until well blended. Add the plantain slices and soak for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. In a 12-inch skillet, heat oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the plantain slices that have been soaking in a bowl and shake or pat dry any excess water before placing into skillet. Fry the plantain slices on both sides until they become fork tender and turn a golden color. The plantain slices have a golden color and they are fork tender, so let's remove them from the skillet. Place the fried plantain slices in a bowl or on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. We are ready to flatten the cooked plantain slices using a tostonera. If you do not own a tostonera, just place the cooked plantain slices between a folded wax or parchment paper and flatten with a plate. It is much easier to flatten the cooked plantain slices when they are still warm. The wooden press known as tostonera is an essential kitchen tool to prepare tostones. The tostonera is normally used for flattening cooked slices of green plantains and other starchy fruits. Place a fried plantain slice on the bottom section of the tostonera and close lid to flatten. Continue this process for the remaining cooked plantain slices. These plantain slices have been fried once, flattened, and now we are ready to fry them for the second time. Before frying the flattened plantain slices, you can dip them into the salted garlic water mixture. This is a personal preference. However, if you do, make sure that you shake any excess water before placing them into the skillet. Reheat the oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's fry the flattened plantains to obtain a crispy texture. Let's turn the tostones to the other side to crisp. After frying the tostones for 4 minutes, they now have a crispy texture on both sides. Let's remove the tostones from the skillet and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. After allowing the tostones to drain off the excess oil for 2 minutes on paper towels, you can sprinkle salt on the tostones if you so desire. Now you can serve yourself a plate of double fried plantains tostones with your favorite dipping sauce. This is my favorite part, tasting the tostones. Now you should hear a crunch with every bite. Very crunchy on the outside, tender in the inside, and you can definitely taste the garlic. Delicious. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare tostones, double fried plantains. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, aidaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.